Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by tagging structure. Select a chapter title and apply heading 1, then use heading 2 for subsections. This creates the semantic anchors word needs to build a table of contents. Once done, make sure headings are consistent. Mixed direct formatting breaks automatic TOC levels. If a heading won't accept the style, clear formatting, then reapply the built-in style. Doing this now saves editing later and keeps your TOC accurate as you insert the TOC after the title page. Put the cursor, open references, and pick an automatic table so Word reads heading levels for you. Once inserted, click Custom Table of Contents to choose how many levels to show and whether to include page numbers. If you used custom styles, select options and map them to level numbers so they appear correctly. Make sure Show Page Numbers is set if you need navigation, otherwise hide them for a clean outline look. You finish by updating the TOC. Right-click it and choose Update Field. Pick Update Page Numbers or the entire table when you've changed headings. Then scan the navigation pane to confirm all headings appear in the right order and level. If an entry is missing, make sure that text actually uses a built-in or mapped heading style and not manual formatting. Quick troubleshoot. If numbering or levels look wrong, reapply the correct heading and rebuild the TOC with Update Field to refresh links and pages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.